Nice. Good day, Haziq. Welcome to today's live, Haziq. Nice to see you here as well. Safia, wow, every single week you are here to learn maths. Fantastic. Okay, the rest of you, welcome to today's live, guys. We are doing secondary school mathematics, coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry will be discussed today. There are a total of 6 questions. Okay, we have 6 questions for ourselves today. And approximately 1 hour, okay? So if we finish earlier, you guys can go off earlier, okay? But otherwise, we have 6 questions. There are notes also that we're going to discuss today. Alright, I'm going to give you all some nice formulas for coordinate geometry. But before that, what's the answer for this, guys? Question 1. This Sec 1, yeah, some schools they teach it in Sec 1. Coordinate geometry, right? Very important topic. Schools will teach it at least for 2 years. Okay guys, at least for 2 years. By the way, those who just joined, do me a small favor and double tap on the screen. Give me a like, guys. At least a like from every one of you. Come on, let's go. Okay, and please remember to share this live stream with as many people as possible, because today we're going to do lots of mathematics revision, guys. Okay? Let's begin. Oh, more than 20 of you already on this live today. Fantastic, guys. What's your option? A, B, C, D. Who doesn't even know what is a horizontal line? D. What in the world is a horizontal line? Some of you maybe not so sure about that. Okay, Azim, welcome man. Long time no see. Mr. Azim, you are expert in this topic, right? Maybe next time you can take over. Azim, I'm waiting for that to happen. Mr. Azim, let me wave at you. Okay, super. Azim, okay, nice. Okay guys, some of you are saying A. Alright, some of you are saying, let me see, Demarcus Cousin. Okay, Demarcus Cousin says, oops, daisy. Hang on. Oh, a lot of you saying A lah, which is 0 lah, the gradient is 0. Okay, gradient is 0. How long is this session? Approximately 1 hour. We have 6 questions. Guys, 6 questions guys, okay? After the 6th question, you all can have a good night. Alright, so let's go. Is it A, is it B, is it C? By the way, what is C? C is infinite, by the way. Infinite means there's no number attached to that. It's a super huge number for the gradient. It's so steep that there is no value for the gradient. Alright, so if you have a horizontal line, friends, some of you are like, hey coach, what in the world is a horizontal line, right? You're not so sure about that. Okay, let me help you out. A horizontal line is a line that is like this. Okay, I draw for you. Like this. Ta-da! This is a nice flat horizontal line. There is no slope, no steepness, nothing. So if that is the case, my friends, please help me out. What is the gradient of a horizontal line? A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay, have a look, my friends. Have a look, This is a horizontal line, okay? This one here. Now, if I change the line like this, look at this. Oh my gosh, there's a slope already. There's gonna be a slope to this line. Alright, there's a slope. Later. Okay. So, guys, there's a slope. Oh, there's a slope. It goes up. So you see, the word gradient, my friends, means slope. Okay, again, the word gradient means what? It means slope. So if your line is flat, let me know in the chat, guys. If your line is flat, horizontal, is there a slope? Not yes or no? Is there a slope? Let me know in the chat, guys. Those of you who are tuned into today's live from the different platforms, okay? Let me know in the comments. Is there a slope to a horizontal? Let's say you got a flat line like this, flat. Would there be a slope? The answer is no. There is no slope here. So, but when you increase the gradient of this line, the slope will keep on increasing. There will be a gradient right now. So at the start, if your line is flat, the gradient is actually nothing. It is 0. Okay, so again, I repeat this. Okay, listen up. So the gradient here is 0. As you go up, the gradient maybe become a 0.5. Maybe it becomes 1 here. It becomes 2. It becomes 3. It becomes 4. It becomes 10. It becomes 100. It becomes 1000. The gradient here is so steep, it becomes infinity. You get what I mean? So a vertical line's gradient is infinite. Because it's so steep, super steep. Alright? So, guys, if I have a nice horizontal line, the gradient is nothing but 0. Okay? So this should be my answer for this particular question. Option A is there. Guys, if you understand this concept, that if you have a flat line, a horizontal line, and the gradient for this is always going to be 0, please smash that heart button, smash the like button, so that I know that you are with me and you understand this concept, and we can move on to tougher things today. Let me know, guys. Okay, super. Thanks for all your smashes of likes and all these things. Now, the next section we're going to talk about today is this, guys. Okay, let us move on to the next notes for today, which is coordinate geometry. Alright, so I'm going to talk to you all about all the notes in coordinate geometry. Once I'm done, right, you can do this thing called a screenshot. Okay, you can screenshot this fella, alright, and then you can take down all the formulas nicely. You can even go and print this particular page later on. Okay, guys, you can print this out. Now, what are the 3 types of straight lines that we have? Okay, in coordinate geometry, we are dealing mostly with straight lines. Alright, so the first type, guys, okay, you may want to note this down somewhere. The very first type of straight lines that you have, okay, is called a horizontal line. Okay, all of us, okay, we already learned this earlier. Okay, you have a horizontal line. That horizontal line will look like this. A flat line. Ta-da! Okay, the next type of line, second type. Okay, let me change colors. The second type, guys, is a vertical line. Okay, now a vertical line is going from top to bottom. Ta-da-dang! Like this. And that is a vertical line. And the third type of line, any brave soul wants to share with me, you know, what is the third type of line that you got to know as part of coordinate geometry, guys? What's the third type of line? We have horizontal, we have vertical. What is the third type? Guys, those who just joined today, we are doing coordinate geometry. Please remember to follow us to get more free lessons, more free resources as well for your mathematics. Okay? Fantastic. Wow, Faye, not bad. Faye says diagonal. Okay, guys, the third type of line, she's right, is called a diagonal line. This is what I call a 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐻 line. Okay, you got a 𝐒𝐞𝐻 line, it goes like this. Okay, or a 𝐒𝐞𝐻 line. 𝐒𝐞𝐻. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, very nice. So you got 3 types of lines. Okay, 3 types of lines that is very, very important for your mathematics. Okay, for coordinate geometry, in fact. Okay, now guys, let's say for example, now the question is changing. They say, hey, I want you to find the equation of these lines. Again, I want you to find the equation of this line. How do you do it? What is the equation? Equation must have equal sign. Correct or not? Equation must have equal sign. So I'm going to minimize this a little bit, guys. Okay, so let's just minimize this a little bit so that I have more space to write for you guys. Okay, so let's say for example, now you are dealing with a horizontal line. Okay, let me just push this down first. We focus on a horizontal line first. Oops, daisy. We focus on horizontal first. Okay, and let's say you have a graph like this. Okay, you got the x-axis, you got the y-axis. Okay, and then over here you have a nice horizontal line for yourself. A nice horizontal line, and over here, oopsie daisy, over here the value of y is -2. Very nice, super nice. Horizontal line, no need to find gradient. There's no gradient. Remember in question 1, guys, horizontal line, remember in question 1, the gradient of a horizontal line is 0, kosong, nothing, null, nothing. Okay, so there's no gradient to find. So how do I find the equation? It is so simple, guys, because the equation of a horizontal line is just literally y equals to that particular value right there. Whatever value you see there's what value is there, you just put that as literally as your equation is just gonna be y equals to -2. Okay, just y equals negative. As simple as that, guys. Okay, horizontal line, no need to overthink. Very simple. Now, and let's say, how about, let's say you say, coach, what if the line is on top? Padapang. Okay, what if the line is this dark blue line here? And let's say this is a 3. No problem. We can settle the equation of this blue line also, guys. We can settle it. How to settle? It's just y equals to 3. That is literally our answer. Okay, differentiation another time now, okay? Oh, differentiation for a horizontal line. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, perhaps another time we try and do 𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴, okay? No guarantee, but another time for 𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴. Now guys, horizontal line, don't overthink. It's just y equals to something. That is literally your equation. Now, if this is clear, I need some response from you guys. Tap the double heart button. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? I just need a response so that I know I'm on the right track for you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Okay? So again, if you have a horizontal line, y equals something. Now, some of you may be asking, coach, what happens if the line is this red line here? Okay, guys, I zoom in for you. I zoom in for you. Okay? See. What happens if the line is right smack on the x-axis? Oh my gosh. Some of you will change your answer. You will say, coach, answer now x equals to 0 for the equation. Okay? See you again. Take care. Alright? Some of you will change x equals to 0. Oh my gosh. How can it be? Just now you say y equals to something. Y equals to something, what? Then suddenly you change. You see, if you got a line right smack on the x-axis, guys, what is the equation here? That equation is going to be y equals to 0 for any line that is right smack on the x-axis. I hope this is clear for you guys. Okay, so again, if you have a horizontal line, the equation is always y equals to something. Always the case. Always the case for horizontal line. I hope I've made myself clear for this question. Okay, for this style of lines. Okay, now we're gonna go on to vertical lines next. Okay, let me just push this down now so that we have more space to write. Alright, now again, now we go on to vertical lines. Let's say you are dealing with a vertical line. Alright, vertical line goes from top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. Okay, it goes like this. X and Y, and then the 0 is there. Okay, and let's say for example over here you got a line 4. Then some of you are like, coach, isn't this the y-axis? Isn't this y-axis? Not true. I'm asking you for equation of line. What is the equation of this line? What is the value of x all the way here, guys? Let me know in the chat box, guys. What is the value of x all the way? From top to bottom, x will have one value only. What is the value of x all the way from top to bottom? Let me know, please. Friends. Let me know in the chat, wherever you're tuning from. Okay, guys, let me know in the chat box, what is the x value all the way from bottom to top? He says 4. Fantastic. Haziq, Mr. Haziq. Haziq says 4 as well. The rest of you, okay, Zik Adriano, welcome to the live today. Good day to you. Shahira, thank you very much for all your likes. Okay, good day. Shermin Jang, welcome to the live today as well. Alright, fantastic job, guys. Okay, so you're right. Okay, all the way x will be 4. Meaning, if I ask you, hey, what is the equation of this line? You will tell me, coach, the equation is x equals to 4. Coach, fantastic. I'll give you full marks for this question. Full marks for you. Amar Priti, Ahmad Shafi, Faye, and everybody else. Thank you very much for this. Now, let's say your vertical line is over here instead now. Okay, and this is -5. Friends, please tell me in the chat, what is the equation of this vertical line right now? What is the equation of that vertical line, my friends? Okay, again, equation must have equal sign. You cannot just say -5. Guys, you cannot just say -5. Alright? Equation must have equal sign. Alright? Simple as that. So what is the equation of this red line here, guys? I just drawn for you the red line. What is the equation of that particular red line over here? I'm still waiting for the right answer. So far nobody got it right yet. Yet. The keyword is yet. There's still a chance. Let's go. Kuai Tian, Sikro, cepat. Jaldi karo. Let's go, guys. Kuai Tian ni, Sikro. Cepat. Jaldi karo. Ushur says y equals to -5. Tenet. Try again, please. Good try. For what level is this concept for? Sec 2 and above. Sec 2 and above. Miss Shabana. Sec 2 and above, this one. IDK. Undefined. Guys, the equation of this vertical line is just x equals to -5. Understand? It's just x equals. Like, you know, if you have that blue line there, it's x equals to 4. Am I right? Am I right? That's the equation. So if you have, Natasha, fantastic. If you have the red line there, no problem. It's just x equals to -5. Finish. Now, let's say you have a line right smack on the y-axis. Okay, let's say you have a green line there. Green line. Okay, the green line equation is x equals to 0. Friends, vertical line, horizontal line equation is pretty standard. Pretty standard equations there. Alright, so again, if you have a horizontal line, it's just y equals to something. Okay, guys? If you have a vertical line, it's just x equals to something. That is the equation. Now, if you have a diagonal line, okay, let's say, for example, you have a line like this. X and y, and then the 0 is there. And for example, you have a line going upwards. Teretang, senget line. Senget line. Okay? And like this is another one you can have. All these are examples of diagonal lines. Now for diagonal lines, the equation will always be, okay, y equals to mx plus c, alright, whereby m is your gradient. Very nice. C is your y-intercept. Okay? So example, let me give you one example. Alright, let's say for example you have this equation here, y equals to 3x minus 1. Okay, then we know that the gradient, the slope is a positive 3. Understand? The slope is a positive 3. And we also know that the y-intercept, this line will cut the y-axis at -1. Okay, this is an example. Guys, this is an example of an equation of a diagonal line. So as you can see, right, a horizontal line equation is always y equals to something. There's no x involved here. Mayo, ille, don't have, tak ada. Okay, there's no x. It's only y equals to something. When you go to a vertical line, it's only x equals to something. There's no y involved in the equation. Have a look at this, guys. There is literally no y involved here. It's only x equals something. And when you go to a diagonal line, that's when both y and x will be involved in your equation. So when you see in an equation that both y and x are involved, confirm, double chop, guarantee this is a diagonal line. Ming pai ma? Purida, understand, samjhe hai? Faham tak semua? Guys, are you all able to understand what I'm saying here? If you see y and x both involved in the equation, you confirm will have a diagonal line. Okay? Both y and x involved in one equation, I will definitely not get horizontal, I will not get vertical, I will get a diagonal line. Okay, I hope this is clear. And when you see only x involved and a number, you see this, guys, I highlight for you in pink. When you see only x involved, you will confirm have a vertical line. I hope this is clear for you guys. Okay? Or when you see only y is involved in the equation, there's no x there, you have yourself a horizontal line. Alright, now guys, if you appreciate this, if you understand this, if you're able to comprehend it, alright, if you're able to comprehend, please put an OK in the chat box. Put an OK in the chat, guys, if you're able to understand this very well. Okay. Haziq, thank you very much. Lim Alin, thank you very much. Hihi, thank you. Akila, thank you very much as well for all the OK. Paglot, thanks, Paglot. Alright, no, Akila as well. There's two Akilas here. Alright, fantastic, guys. You guys are awesome today. Now, we're not done yet. Okay, now, today I'm going to talk about formulas as well. Alright, now let's say you want to find a gradient of any 2 points. Okay, this is always a rise over run. Now we're going to do this. The gradient is always rise over run. You can write this down somewhere. And the rise is just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, rise over run. We'll settle with this. Okay, the gradient concept. Now, if you have a length question, okay, you can use this very long formula. Okay, this very long formula that looks like this. Okay, so x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Basically, you are just using the coordinates to help you out. Alright, this is actually using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, next time if we have the chance, we will dive into details into this. Okay, we'll go into details. Alright, but for now, this is a good formula that you can use for length between 2 points and for gradient between 2 points as well. Okay, rise over run, and then for the length, it's just this very long, atrocious looking formula. How many of you agree this is atrocious looking formula? Please tap that heart, tap the like button, guys, if you feel that this is really atrocious, man. Like, what in the world is this? So long. Wow, so many of you giving the heart. Okay, fantastic. Okay, guys, we go on to the next one. Oh, another question for you guys. Gradient. Like I said, the gradient is just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Padapang! How to find the gradient between these 2 points? Okay, I highlight for you so that it's clear. Okay, I hope this point is clear now. A is there and B is there. Let me zoom in a little bit, guys, for you guys. Okay, the formula is there. What is your answer for this, my friends? A, B, C, D. How many of you are going to choose E as your answer? Is it E? Cannot be what? Okay. What is it? A, B, C, D. You need to do some working, you know. Guys, you need to do some working. Okay, I give you some hints, okay, guys. I'll give you some hints. Now, this right here is a downward sloping line, okay? It's a downward sloping line, meaning your slope will be negative. Okay? Your slope will confirm be negative for this. It cannot be positive, it cannot even be zero. So, what does that mean? That means that these two options are out. Okay, please don't waste time with these two options. Alright, B and D completely doesn't make any sense. Alright, so your focus should be either -1 or -2, that's all. Alright, so how do I solve this for the gradient of these 2 points here? So again, I encourage you guys to write the coordinates like this first. Okay, and the other one is B. Now this is 4 and -2. Okay, go and write your coordinates like this first, and then, my friends, what you can do, you can label this as x1, y1. This is literally your first coordinate. Okay, first one, you can label x1, y1. And some of you are like, Coach, I don't want. I want to put this x1, y1, I want this to be my first one. It's not a crime to do that. It's totally fine. But if this is x1, y1, then this will be x2, y2. Okay? So just take note of that. So how do I use the gradient formula? Look at the top there, guys. Look at the top. My friends, the gradient formula is right there at the top. So let us use that particular formula to find the gradient of these 2 points. Okay? So the gradient is just equals to y2 minus y1. Okay, what's y2? y2 is 5 minus y1. Put a bracket because y1 is negative 2. So again, y2 minus y1 here. Take note. Okay, y2 minus, put a bracket, y1 is there. And everything divided by x2 minus x1. Very nice. 5 minus minus 2, what happens here is a positive value. When two negatives come together, perpang, you get a positive fella there. Okay, you get a positive. So you get 7 over negative 7. My friends, what would the gradient be for this? The answer will be negative 1. Option A is our final answer for this particular gradient question. Okay guys, those who just joined, welcome to today's live. We are doing coordinate geometry for secondary school mathematics. Okay, all of you are free to learn here. Okay, we have another 4 more questions on coordinate geometry. As I discussed, I'm also going to go through the formulas with you guys. Okay, this is actually an 𝐒𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐵𝐻 topic. 𝐒𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻, not 𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻. But obviously 𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻 students are supposed to know this as well. Okay, these are like the basics for the 𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻 students to know, because in 𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻 there's this big topic called circles geometry. There's this big topic called coordinate geometry in 𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐻 as well. Alright, that you guys need to know. Alright, this is, some schools will teach in Sec 1 by the way, Safia. Okay, some schools will teach this in Sec 1. My friends, let us discuss question number 3. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit so that you can see the screen nicely. Super guys! How do I find the coordinates of A? Okay, come, go and try this out. Let's go. The line H, okay, whose equation is this, intersects the y-axis at the point A. Find the coordinates of point A. Is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Which is your answer for this coordinate geometry question? A is the y-intercept. Okay, this is the y-intercept. Okay, is it A, is it B, is it C? Who can get it correct? Let's see. Let's see who's the one who can actually get this question right and achieve accuracy for this. And the full marks for you guys as well. Let's go. Okay, Akila says B, he says B. Chicken flying says B, 𝐶𝐵𝐵𝐻. B. Okay, the rest of you, which one is it? He says B as well. Alright, let's see what's the answer for this particular question. Okay, so far I don't think anyone has gotten it correct. Sing Peanut, welcome to the live today. Good day to you, man. Aki as well, and everybody else, welcome to today's MasterMaths live. Shahira says C. 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐲, Mr. Haziq says C as well. Okay. Amor Preeti says C. Denji says C. Okay. Well, Anita. Good day, Miss Anita. Welcome to the live today. Hope you're learning well as well. Thank you so much for joining in. Really appreciate your time today. USX, not me, says B as well. Okay. My friends, the answer for this question will be revealed in 30 seconds. Let me on the timer for you guys. Okay. Timer. Okay. $20 seconds. Faye says C. Siska Tina, good day to you. Says C as well. Alright. Wow, so many of you saying C, huh? Are you sure? Okay, Nur Akila, thank you very much. 10 seconds. Let's do a countdown, guys. Let's do a countdown. Nora Matno says A is the answer. Okay, no problem. Let's discuss in a while. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Guys, this is a straight line. It's gonna be confirm a diagonal line. How do I know it's a diagonal line? Because both y and x are involved in this equation. Remember what I said earlier. If both y and x are involved, you're gonna get a diagonal equation. Chloe, nice to have you then. Hope you learn a lot here, Chloe. Let's go, Chloe. Okay, now, you intersect the y-axis at the point A. Now, at the y-axis, take note of this, friends. If you are on the y-axis, x will be having a value of 0. Kosong, ille, nothing there. X will be 0. How do I know? Okay, go back to the notes. go back to the notes, okay? Look at this. Look at this, guys. At the y-axis, at the y-axis, x will be 0. Okay? So this is confirmed true for anything that's on the y-axis. Alright? No need to overthink this. And what we do next is this, my friends. 3y is going to be equals to 9 minus 3 times 0. Why? Because on the y-axis, x is 0. We change the x value to 0 as well. Alright? So 3y, my friends, will just be equals to 9. Very nice. Now, if 3y is equals to 9, can we find the y value? Yes, we can. Y is 3. Y is 3. So, x is 0, right? X is 0 on the y-axis. Y is 3. So, what is the coordinates for A? What is the coordinates for A, guys? Let me know your correct answer inside the chat box right now. Should it be A, should it be B, should it be C, or should it be D? D is the worst option ever. They want coordinates, right? You got to give X and Y coordinates. Okay, so what is A? Therefore, A is 0, 3. Answer is option C. Fantastic. Guys, if you are a secondary school student, tap the like button and follow us at the top. Guys, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do this, okay? Follow us at the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, why am I asking you guys to follow? It's really because in these TikTok sessions, we are giving lots of value for free, lots of free classes. Anyone can join in. If you are one of those who want to take your math to the next level, okay, you really want to improve in your maths, guys, then join us in this TikTok, okay? Go to the top, smash that follow button. Alright, you're going to get lots of value in our TikTok page. Okay, unfortunately, you will not see us dancing there. You will not see us singing or hear us singing, because personally, if I sing, it will start to rain, it will start to thunderstorm. Okay? It will start to rain, it will start to thunderstorm. That's all will happen. Okay, so I don't want that to happen, so we will not sing there in the TikTok or in the whatever IG or YouTube that we have. We will only do mathematics for you guys. Okay? We will only do math for you guys. I hope this is fine. Alright, thank you very much. So the answer for this, therefore A is 0 and 3. Very nice. Okay, friends, listen up to this, okay? In secondary school, right, you guys will learn some shortcuts. Primary school, your teacher will say, no, you must write the whole statement. But in secondary school, there are some shortcut symbol. For example, these 3 dots. Okay, you can take note of this. These 3 dots means therefore. Okay? Therefore, A is 0 and 3. Now, some of you are like, Coach, are there other symbols or not? Definitely. Let's say you have these 3 dots instead. Anyone can tell me what is these 3 dots? What is these 3 dots? It is not a power plug or a power switch. My friends, what is that 3 dots representing? Who knows? Like tombalik, the dots, opposite. It's opposite, man. It looks like something, the 3 dots with the square. Khatijah says because. Haziq Johari says since. Joe Pesser says because. He says since. Kills says because. My friends, those 3 dots means since. Since. Okay? Especially when you go to Sec 3, Sec 4. Okay, you may need to do some proving in mathematics. Okay, you may need to do some proving. So if that is the case, you need to do some short forms for yourself. These 3 dots, if you write it this way, two at the top, 1 at the bottom, this means since. 3 dots like this means therefore. Okay, fantastic job, guys. Okay, I really appreciate all your efforts today. Okay, keep it up. I'll give you a round of applause for today, man. Okay, now let's go on to the next one, question 4. Guys, got to speed up a little bit. Okay, because we still have another 2 more big questions to discuss. Okay, question 4, you got the same line whose equation is this. Find the gradient of this line. Now I give you all a hint, my friends. I give you guys a hint. You need to make y the subject of this formula. Make y the subject. Ta-da-tang! What secondary is this? This is Sec 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and if you are Sec 5, definitely you got to know as well. Guys, go and make y the subject of this entire nice looking formula. Let's go. Okay, Sec 1 is also good to just listen in. Okay, it's good to just listen in as well. Alright. My friends, what is the gradient of this particular line? Let's go. So some of you are pretty fast, huh? You say it's -1. Some of you say C is the answer. Guys, is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Now I'm going to reveal the answer. Let us do some time reveal now. Okay, we're going to reveal the answer in 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, answer reveal, 1 minute 30 seconds. Is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Which one is it? Alright, some students learn in Sec 1 also. You are right, wilderness smile. Okay, you are correct about this. Okay. What is gradient? Gradient means slope. Alright, gradient means slope. What is the slope of this particular line that we have? Okay, Akila says C as well. Chloe says C. Use not me, says C as well. So many of you are saying C. Guys, got 1 more minute. Okay, those who have not tried, you got 50 seconds to try and tell me what's the answer. A, B, C, D. Which one is this? Let's go. Shen, welcome to the live today. Those who just joined, few more live. We are doing secondary school mathematics here. Coordinate geometry is the discussion for today. Miss Nisha Gafur as well, thank you very much for sharing the live. And everybody else who just joined. Today is the MasterMaths live mathematics program where we discuss secondary school mathematics. Faye says C, user 298 says C as well. Sis Katina says C. Okay, super guys. Okay, someone, Dan says A. Okay, Ken, no problem. Okay, we will discuss this right now. How do I find the slope of this line? Now friends, let's say you have the equation going nicely like this for you, which is 3y. Let me put it a bit thicker, okay? Guys, let's say you have 3y equals to 9, times up. 9 minus 3x. Okay, let's say for example you have 3y equals to 9 minus 3x, guys. Okay, what you want to do is to make y the subject of this formula. So again, go back to this equation, my friends, and try and change this up into y. Okay, so y is just equals to everything divided by 3. Am I right? Everything divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3, you're going to get 3. 3x divided by 3, you're going to get just 1x here, like this. Okay, but it's useful to even change this up, my friends. Change this up into y. Okay, guys, y equals to -x plus 3. Change it up like this. Okay, change it up like this. So, why am I changing it up? Why? Because this is a diagonal line. How to know whether this is diagonal? Look at the equation. If your equation has both x and y inside, confirm diagonal line. Okay, so and this is basically the form of y equals to mx plus c. So what is m, my friends? M is the gradient. M is the gradient. So when you make y the subject, you can immediately tell the gradient. No need to think so much, no need to think twice, thrice, all, no need. Because y is already the subject, the gradient is going to be -1. Guys, if this is clear, smash the like button if you understand this concept that the gradient, my friends, in this particular question will just be -1. Thank you so much for all the love, guys. All the love. Thanks. So again, Safia, I'll explain to you. Okay, if you see a negative here, it's just -1. Okay, it's just -1 and that is your gradient. Your gradient will always be before x. Always be before x. Why must we learn this? Oh my gosh. Guys, why must we learn mathematics? Alright, mathematics is the basics of so many things that happens later on. If you decide to do coding, for example, if you decide to become a doctor, for example, if you decide to even pursue nursing, friends, if you decide to become a nurse, or you want to become a doctor, you will somehow use math in your work. There will be some thinking skills that mathematics is developing for you. I'm serious about this. Math really helped me in my studies when I progressed. And you can think faster. We can solve problems faster later on in life. Alright? So again, guys, enough of these grandfather lectures. Gradient is the coefficient of x, and in this case, it's -1. It's -1. So the answer for this question is C. Now, some of you may be asking, Coach, hands up, Coach, what is this C? Yeah? What does C represent? C is just the y-intercept. Okay? The y-intercept. So if I were to ask you, what is the y-intercept? It will just be 3. This is where your line will cut the y-axis at the point y equals to 3. Okay? So I really hope this is clear for you guys. Okay, friends, let us move on to the next one. We have one question here. Okay, let me see how many more. Okay, 2 more questions only. Guys, just 2 more questions for today's live. Now, find the equation of a straight line that is parallel, oh my gosh, parallel to this line here and passes through this point. Oh, this one is a bit challenging. Guys, a little topu, fantastic, because math is basic, period. Okay. How do I find the equation? When you have parallel lines, your gradients are the same, okay? Now, friends, this one here, I give you 2 minutes to solve. Is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Cannot be D, right? But if you still want me to teach you, just put D, it's okay. If you're still not so sure, just put D. Okay, by the way, those who just joined the live, we are doing a secondary school mathematics here, alright, and we are covering coordinate geometry in today's mathematics live program on secondary math. So welcome to today's live. Welcome everybody. Alright, is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Which one is it? I'm going to give you guys exactly 2.5 minutes. Okay, we bargain a little bit, okay? 2.5 minutes. What is your answer for this particular question? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's go. Some of you are saying D. Okay, love yourself, Saf. Safia says D. Akila says C. Pure Water 56 says answer should be B. Okay, let's see what's the answer for this particular question. Okay guys, 1.5 minutes left. Live in progress. Okay, welcome to the live today, guys. You've got 1 more minute to solve this question. Let's go. "40 seconds. Okay, then we do a countdown, okay? At 10 seconds, let's all do a countdown. Okay, he says B, Dan says B, I think. Alright, those who just joined, welcome to the live today. Madam Razia, welcome to the live today as well. Good day to you as well, Madam Razia. Fantastic day to you. Let me wave at you. Hisham, welcome to the live as well, Hisham. A fantastic day to you, Hisham. I wave at you as well. Okay, you got 10 more seconds, my friends. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Happy New Year. Okay, not really lah. Okay, guys. How do I find the equation of this straight line? Nur Husna, welcome to the live as well. Miss Nur Husna. Welcome, Miss Nur Husna. Good day to you. Okay, guys. How do I find the equation of a straight line parallel to this line? Now, when they are parallel, my friends, when they are parallel, they will have the same gradient. Okay, you can write this down. Okay, parallel means what? Same gradient. Let's go. Same gradient. Okay, so how do I find the gradient of this line here? How do I find the gradient? And this is where Ministry of Science SG, fantastic day to you. Good day to you, brother. Okay, welcome to the session today as well. My friends, when you have parallel lines, you have the same gradient. So your job, go and find the gradient of this guy first. Go and find the gradient. And how do I find the gradient? You need to make y the subject again. Okay, 6y is equals to 12 minus 5x. My friends, how do I find the gradient? Make y the subject of this formula. Okay, so how do I do that? Divide everything by 6 law. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 5 divided by 6, 5 over 6x. Rearrange, and you're going to get y equals to negative 5 over 6x plus 2. Why did coach rearrange? Why? Because I'm trying to form y equals to mx plus c. I'm trying my best to form this. Okay? So with this, right, guys, I know for sure that the gradient is negative 5 over 6. Understand? So when I say parallel, same gradient. Am I right? So what is the gradient? The gradient I know already. I know the gradient is negative 5 over 6. So this equation that I'm trying my best to find. Okay, I'm trying my best to find the equation of that line, right? I know that the equation will be y equals to negative 5 over 6x plus c. How do I know the gradient? Because remember, the gradient is the same. Alright, if your gradient is negative 5 over 6, for your line that you're trying to find, the gradient will also be negative 5 over 6. Okay, so this is the equation that I'm working with, which means, right, option A is out. Option A doesn't make sense. This is out, we cancel this off. Okay, friends? Now, so our only option right now is between B and C. If you chose D, it's okay because you didn't know how to do it. I'm here to help you guys out. Okay? How do I find the value of C? Now, very simple. What do you do to find this C here? Go back to the question. My friends, go back to the question. You have an X and Y coordinates given to you there at the top. Go back to the question. Take your X and Y coordinate. Pump it into your equation right here. Okay? Pump this into your equation. Like this. Alright? So, what happens here? You're going to get 8 is equals to negative 5 over 6 times negative 1 plus c. The x value, put it here. The y coordinate, put it here. That's all I did. Okay? So what happens here? You're going to get 8 is equals to 5 over 6 plus c. And c, my friends, is just 8 minus 5 out of 6, which is 7 whole 1 over 6. 7 wholes, 1 out of 6. Ladies and gentlemen, the equation that we have right now, y equals to negative 5 over 6x plus 7 whole 1 over 6. Please smash that comment and let me know, my friends. Is it A, B, C, D? Which is the correct answer for this? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Mohai Live says 43 over 6. That's totally fine. You can do that also, no problem. Which one is it, guys, now? Akila, Haziq, Mads, I salute you too. Thanks for joining us. Option B is our answer. Friends, give yourself a round of applause. Okay, good job, guys. Safia. Good job, Safia. Just take this down. Just learn a little bit more. Guys, those who just joined our live, we are doing coordinates geometry. My name is Coach Irfan from the MasterMaths Education Center. We are doing coordinate geometry today for secondary school mathematics. My friends, if you want to learn more mathematics, if you want to improve yourself, you want to improve your life. Friends, I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds, okay? You got 5 seconds. Smash that follow button so that you don't miss out on any live classes that we are doing, on any video tutorials that we are doing. Guys, let's give ourselves 5 seconds for this, okay? Smash that follow button. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to the next question. Thank you so much, guys. JJ Cheng, thanks for sharing this live. Okay, thank you so much for this. Last question for the day. Yes, finally. Question 6. Let's go. Find the equation of a straight line that is parallel. Okay, parallel to the y-axis, meaning you have a vertical line for yourself. Because y-axis is going upwards like this, right? Look at my hand. Alright, parallel to the y-axis means you are going also vertically upwards. Ta-da-tang! Parallel. Zing! Okay, you got a vertical line for yourself. So again, if you have a parallel line, it means you have a, my friends, you have a vertical line. Okay, you have a vertical line. Okay, which grade is this? This is actually grade 8, I believe. Okay, in the American context. In Singapore, it's Sec 2, secondary 2. Okay, and this is parallel to y-axis and passes through 5 and 4. What's your answer? A, B, C, or D? Thanks for all the follow, guys. Okay, bro, Tesla, thanks for following us. Okay, you're gonna get lots of useful mathematics tutorials with us. Okay, guys, I'm gonna reveal the answer in 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, let's see who can get this correct in 1 minute's time. Let's go. Should be D. Some of you says F. Mr. Haziq, where's F option? Okay. Those on other platforms, okay, you want to give me your answer, you can let me know as well. Okay, what is your answer for this particular question? Type wrongly, okay, no problem. Happens. That happens, right? 30 seconds. A, B, C, D. Let's go. Thanks for all the loves and the likes. Appreciate that a lot. Appreciate that a lot. Let's go. 20 seconds. Alright. Good job. Andrew Ray Wiggins, welcome to the class. How are you? I'm doing fine as well. Good day to you. Alright. Aviation X says C is the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perpang. What is the answer for this question? My friends. Solution, please. Solution A, B, C, D. Okay, let me draw it out for you. Okay, best to draw out. In fact, all of you go and draw this out. It's good for you. When you draw things, that's how you can learn faster. You can visualize, you can see things faster as well. You can answer faster also. Put it up. Okay. Now guys, how do I find the equation of a line that is parallel to the y-axis and passes through 5 and 4? Where is 5 and 4? 5 is here, 4 is here. My friends, let's do a dotted line. Dotted line. This is the coordinates 5 and 4. Okay, this is the coordinates 5 and 4. Can you please not use the color pink? It's very offensive. That's what Extinction is saying. Are you sure it's offensive? It's just a color. Chill, man. Okay, now anyways. Bro, chill. Okay, now guys. You got a vertical line. How do I know it's vertical? How do I know it's vertical? Yeah, that's why. Nowadays, people are getting offended by a color. Oh my gosh, I agree with you, Nata. People are getting offended by a color. I don't understand this part. Okay. What's wrong? Pink is nice, what? Who doesn't like Bandung? Guys, you all like Bandung, not? Bandung is pink color. Wait, I better change to pink. I change to pink. How many of you like Bandung? Please give me a yes in the chat box. You like Bandung? Oh, it's nice. parallel to the y-axis. Wow, so many of you liking Bandung, huh? Fantastic. Andika, welcome. Long time no see, Andika. Good day to you. Shasha Ngari as well, good day. And everyone else, welcome to the live today, the night Naruto. Good day. Coach, you are very funny. Thank you very much, Shaira, for your compliment. Okay, continue. Okay, go. Now, a line parallel to the y-axis and passes through this point. The y-axis is vertical. This line will also obviously be vertical because it's parallel to the y-axis. Both are going to be vertical lines, which means let me put this pink color line a bit longer. Get it? Wow, making me thirsty, man. I've not drank for I think 2 hours already now. Okay. Anyways, vertical line. What is the equation of this vertical line? Very simple, very straightforward. This is just x is equals to 5. Okay, because what? Because everywhere on this line x will be 5. Everywhere on this line x is equal to 5. So in this point here, y will be different, right? Maybe it's -3 here. This point here, maybe y is -2. This point here, maybe y is 2. You see, the y value keep on changing across this line, across this Bandung line. But across this Bandung line, x will be 5 all the time. My friends, if you understand this, if you purida this, if you mingpai this, if you samjehe this, if you faham tak this, please smash that love. Double tap this particular screen, and then we're gonna what is that? We're gonna close off the session already. Okay? Can teach double integration, I don't understand. That one is A-level maths, which at the moment we don't have plans yet. Okay, but definitely there may be chance for that, okay, in future. Let's see. Okay, so look at the Bandung line. My friends, look at the Bandung line. It's vertical. X is equals to 5 for that vertical line. Okay? Super. Wow, appreciate you guys. Okay, friends. We have actually come to the end of today's live. Okay? So, I hope you all learned something. Guys, if you learned something productive today, and if you really want to see more topics being taught, more live like this, please smash that follow button so that we are more motivated to give you all that live classes every single week. Alright, what's your favorite topic? I like trigonometry a lot. I like diagram based questions a lot. Guys, 5 seconds to follow us. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Perfecto. But after this I can do well. Thank you very much. Okay, so again guys, the main thing I want to talk to you all about right today is this formula list. Okay, this formula list, I tell you, is really useful for you guys because can you go properties of circle? Actually, that one last week you missed out. Huge yes. Okay, those who missed out, go to this group here. You can check it out in this Telegram group. All the notes, all the past videos on secondary maths are all available there. Alright? Now, if you guys miss out the live today, you miss out some of the formulas. What I can tell you is this, guys. You take a look at this page here, do a screenshot. Izrin, welcome to the live. Good day to you, Izrin. Alright. Okay, friends. If you miss out on the live today, you miss out on the formulas and all, you take a quick screenshot of this. Guys, take a quick screenshot of this page. Then you can go and revise with the video that will come out very, very soon. Alright? Thank you so much. Macalamin, thanks for following us as well. Okay? Okay, friends, we have come to the end of the live today. I hope you all learned something productive, something useful. By the way, we also have IG. If you guys have IG, you can follow us there also. Alright, our IG is this one. I'll share with you. Okay, you can follow us on the IG. Alright, you can take some time now to do it. Pretty long. Okay, this is our IG. Okay, Sana, good day Sana. Welcome, welcome. Okay guys, and then if you want, you can follow our TikTok also. TikTok is at MasterMaths Today. Okay, and you can definitely follow our YouTube also. Okay, MasterMathsTV, I believe this is the channel. Okay, to learn more about mathematics and how you can improve yourselves. Okay, by the way, in the June holidays, we are also going to conduct our live sessions. Okay, we will ensure that we do it still for you guys. Okay, how many of you still want to have live classes in June holidays? Please put the word me in the chat box. Thank you very much. Shaira, thank you very much. Have a good night. Thank you so much for joining in today. Yes, we also offer classes. Okay, we also offer classes. See you on Saturday. Good day, good day. Guys, how many of you want to have free classes in June also? Smash the word me, and so that we can give you all more free stuff in June. Where can I see the price? Huge Jazz. Okay, you can go to our IG and you can inquire there itself. Alright, everything is there. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, friends, thank you very much for your time. I have to go because from here, I'm doing the live from the office today. So from the office to my home, it takes me about half an hour. Okay, I need to go in there and Shaira, thanks for that share as well. Okay, I need to go home and makan and all these things, and see my two kids who are at home as well waiting. Alright, so I will see you guys again, friends. Take care, and guys, have a nice June holiday. Have a nice June, and please don't forget, before you guys leave, ensure that you follow us here at the top. Smash that follow button because, like I said, we are posting every single day. I try not to miss on posting. On Tuesdays, if you have any little brothers, on Tuesdays at 8 p.m, little brothers, little sisters. Okay, 8 p.m, Coach Shahira, who is an expert in primary maths, PSLE maths, she will go on live. Okay, and she will actually discuss PSLE mathematics with you guys. On Wednesday at 8 p.m, Coach Irfan will do the live with you guys. Okay, so friends, with that, I end the live today. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for all the love, all the likes, all the follows. Friends, I really hope to give you more value in the next upcoming live. As for today, I wish you all a good night. Take care and have sweet dreams. Bye-bye, everybody. See you. Take care. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye. Thank you. Okay, let's end this. Let's go. Right. End this. And let's end this guy. Let's end this.